According to rabbinic tradition, there are 613 commandments that are part of our tradition, rituals and practices that we observe in order to fulfill a Jewish life. According to tradition, 72 of those 613 are found in this week's Torah reading, Teitzei, the most commandments contained in any one portion of all the portions in the entire Torah. Most of these 72 deal with interpersonal relationships, how we deal with our spouse, and how we deal in business with other people, which I think serves as an important contrast to the most horrific event, the defining moment 15 years ago, 9/11, which we just observed this past weekend. That terrible tragedy that struck American soil and brought an end to over 3,000 lives in New York, Pennsylvania, and Washington, D.C., is an event that marks the total antithesis to all these commandments found in this week's Torah portion. It's that terrorist tragedy marked an aversion to humanity and a commitment to a vision that is totally antithetical to a moral and ethical vision for life on earth. Whereas this week's Torah portion gets us grounded once again with the proper framework and foundation that everything works better in the world and we can navigate the chaos around us if we act kindly to one another with a sense that we do so because we are all God's creatures. That's what Teitzei and the entire Torah tries to teach us. And as we move on from 9/11, 15 years on, we still try to learn this message and to teach this message to our fellow human beings. Someday we pray that all God's creatures will respect one another and that there will be peace on earth. Shabbat Shalom.